guys, it's Gayle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, obviously, as you can see by the title, ang gagawin ko is magpa 5-minute makeup look ako, and actually this look is my everyday makeup look or my go-to makeup look. So guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ako makeup guru. Actually, first vlog ko or video ko to sa channel ko na about with makeup, and bear with me. So guys, this is my kikay kit, and this is from my teacher. Gift niya to sa akin noong nag-18th birthday ako, and super cute lang niya. So ginawa ko siyang kikay kit ko, and by the way guys, yung ginamit ko palang cream sa mukha ko is yung BB cream ng iWhite ba? O iWhite Korea. Ito siya. Yung nakasachet lang. Kasi boost na yung aking tube. So next na ginagawa ko is binabrush ko lang yung kilay ko, kasi since makapal na siya, hindi na ako naglalagay ng mga eyebrow powder or pencil, ganun din. Binabrush ko na lang siya. Next is may pilik mata. May mascara. Guys, kapag kagaya ko kayong first time lang mag-apply ng mascara, is dapat umpisahan sa baba ng eyelash mo para ma-volumize talaga yung mascara mo. Hindi din ako naglalagay ng mascara dito sa baba ng aking babang eyelash ko, kasi ayun ko. Next is blush. So ang gagamitin kong blush is this, itong Sunkissed Organic Clay Blush, yung usong-uso noon. Gamit ko pa rin siya ngayon. Next is for my lips. Ang ginagawa ko sa lips ko is nag-a-apply ako ng Vaseline na lip therapy. Tinalagyan ko bago ko siya lalagyan ng lip tint. And since nalagyan ko kanina, tapos ko maligo, and so maglalagay na ako ng lip tint. Ang gagamitin kong lip tint is this Everbalena Lip and Cheek Roller in the shade Uptown Wall. And super favorite ko to. So, ang powder na gagamitin ko is this Johnson's Blossoms Baby Powder. I'm just using this brush. Actually, bronze, contour brush. Wala yung brush talaga na malaki. This is my look now guys, and parang walang nagbago. And yes, wala talaga nagbago kasi na-pimple talaga ako. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!